Hello everyone! Today we are going to make a paper Christmas star. We are going to need a paper, scissors, glue and a rope. Easy to make, looks amazing. Let's start. We are going to fold paper to get 7 peaks. I'm folding about 3 centimeters. Turn paper and do the same on another side. I have got 7 tops and now I'm going to cut the rest. Cut the edge to a point. You can make it straight or curved, depend on how you like. I like it a little bit curved. Fold in half and do the same on another side. To get the same shape. Mark the middle. Open and cut a triangle in the middle. If you want, you can cut a small triangles in the end of each detail. Or you can make a holes as many as you want. Find the rope and tie it in the middle. Fold in half to mark the middle line. It will be easier to unfold the star afterwards. Now it's time to glue sides together. Repeat same on another side. Christmas ties are ready. Use rope to make a loop, so it will be possible to hang our star. Just like this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to get more exciting videos. Let's make a Christmas star and a Christmas tree together. Thanks for watching and see you soon.